What's going on, guys? Today I have this red seat for the Model Y. It's made out of synthetic leather and Alcantara, and we're gonna test this product whether we want to bring it to market or not. So let's get right into it. So before I get started, just a little bit of background is that I've been really looking for a nice seat cover for the Tesla Model 3 and the Y, mainly because there's really only two colors. You can get black and white interior. And I think for some people, they want to spice it up. They want maybe some red, some blue, whatever it is, and other stitching. And there's just not a lot of combinations. So I've actually been testing for the past maybe year, actually over a year, and it just never came to the quality that I wanted. So, which now comes into this company called Individual. They're based out of Slovakia, and their quality looks phenomenally better. And they actually hand stitch it there in their factory. So we're gonna test this out and see if we really want to bring this to market, because when we test this out, this is our process, is we put it in our cars, test it out, sit on it, how it feels, and if we like it, we'll offer it, because we want to offer the best for all our customers. So this isn't an instructional per se. We're not going to show you. We're going to make a separate video so it's a little bit more organized and better and concise. So we're going to test this product, whether this fits us or not. And we also want your feedback. What do you think after we install it? So come with me and let's get right into it. I'm just kidding. That was like so dramatic. Oh wow, this is nice. Wow, so this is already looking really good. We just got, the bottom and this all anchored down. But before we keep going, click on that subscribe button and wait till the end of the video, because we're going to show you as soon as it's all installed and show you a comparison between the OEM white and also the red. Let's go get those headrests done too. So we're done with the front passenger seat and we're about to do the rear seats. And as you saw, the difference here is it is pretty intimidating as far as install, right? It actually uses this giant needle, or they recommend it. And I'm not actually poking through, or I am poking through, but I'm actually, what I'm doing is I'm trying to go in between the two seams. And the reason why you do that is because it's not a cover where you pretty much, like, take out every 3 months to wash. It's supposed to kind of replace these seats. So that being said, by putting it through and anchoring in this specific areas, it allows it to really take form of the shape of the seat. And that's why we're doing it this way. It is going to be optional when we talk about instructional. If you're very uncomfortable doing this, you don't have to. It might shift a little bit more, but there's enough straps that kind of keep it tight. So I feel like it'll be okay. However, we're following their directions on, anchoring every single piece so we can have the most OEM look as possible. So as far as the back, we're actually going to be doing the middle seat. There's a little bit of a removal from the bottom part right here, and then we're also going to do this seat. We're going to show you how it looks on one side, and then we're going to leave the other side white so you guys can compare and let us know. So as you see me struggling, this is not easy, but this is why we do this, because we're actually going to go back to the manufacturer and say, here's how I think we can improve it. So for example, like this one, kind of cut my hand a little bit trying to kind of get the other side of the Velcro so that it could join in together. I think they can make that a little bit longer so that you could reach it and kind of more of a string and then you could pull it out. Something like that. This is really cool though. This fits phenomenal. I mean, you can see the fitment is so tight and that's why it's so hard. And again, this is, real Alcantara with synthetic leather and it just feels really high quality. The stitching is a lot nicer. It's more consistent. The fabric just feels nice. There's not a weird smell to it. The other ones that I've tested, I had to wait like a month until that smell went away. I just couldn't handle that. I'm very sensitive to all that. To be honest, the red, I think it looks really cool. Maybe not my style, but I think I'm gonna try we're gonna try to offer, if we do offer it, we're gonna try to offer all the main colors that I think that people will like. The red will be one of them, a white one, or whitish beige. We'll maybe get like an indigo bluish, and perhaps maybe like a black red racing one. So that's kind of what we're thinking. Yeah, I like it so far. Wow, even this is like fitment is pretty impressive. It's a little tight, but that's why they have this. Really leaning towards bring this to market. I think it's a really good start. We're excited to be partnering with individual seats and covers, and we're gonna give them feedback and we're gonna try to make this a little bit better. But other than that, I think the quality is there, which I really like, and I think the only thing that really needs to improve is the ease of installation. But I understand why they're doing a couple things. So again, hopefully they take some of that feedback. But regardless, this is a good product. So hopefully that gave you a little bit of perspective about seat covers and a little bit of how to remove some other parts of your Model Y. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below and let us know what you think. We're going to show you a kick-ass video of what it looks like compared to the OEM. Let's go.